Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I am going to teach you to go live and check in your Facebook account. Make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Facebook account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Facebook app. Here I go. At the top, you can see the option Live. At the left corner, tap on that. Here I go. Now you can see the option Start Live Video. By tapping on that, you will be able to go live. Now I will be showing you how to check in. At the top, you can see the option What's on your mind. Tap on that. Now below here, you can see the options photo, video, tag people, feeling, activity, check-in and so on. Tap on that check-in option. Here I go. Now you can type the name of the location you want to check in this way. Tap on search. Now you can choose the location. Here I go. In this way, you can easily check in your Facebook account. I hope this video helped you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.